Welcome to a world where intuitive engineering transforms the fabric of everyday life. Behind every seamless experience lies inventive operational techniques, driving intuitive foresight and swift decision-making. We are Alliance Pro, a globally acclaimed IT infrastructure and security consulting company, pioneering enterprise solutions, cloud services, cybersecurity, and AI. At Alliance Pro, we don't just provide services. We inspire transformative change, empowering organizations to surpass boundaries and unlock boundless capabilities in today's dynamic business landscape. Our approach is simple yet powerful, bridging the gap between technology and business objectives through seamless collaboration and data-driven decision-making. Join us in shaping the future of technology and business.